Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video and demo of a new app that I've created. So this week I was working on an expense tracker. So this app was built in Swift UI for iOS. So right now I just have simple features for it, just to make sure that the UI is looking good, and then I will be connecting it to actual banking info within the next video. So let's get into it. So here's a little picture of how this app will look. Let's run it. So you open up the app and it gives you an overview of how much you have spent. So right now I just have fake data just so I could make sure everything looks clean. So I have just $961.42 here, and I have a scroll view so I could go to recent transactions and I could actually see all the recent transactions uh, that I spent. Or, well, for this, it's just fake data for now, which I'll eventually fix, and it'll be my actual data of what I spend. So as you can see, there's a scroll view of everything. Right now I have the dates set to just randomized. That's why you can see like some of it's 2022, some of it's 2025. And I also have this stuff randomized. So as you can see, there's payroll here, which is going to be blue. So that's when you make money. And then we also have the minus here, which is minus 23.86. It's black. It's just everything that you spend. So I can make this red possibly, or I'll just play around with it to see what looks cleaner. So let's go back here, and this gives you an overview of how much you've spent. So, and you could actually click this. I imported Swift UI charts, as you can see right here. Got it from GitHub. It's an open source library you could use. If you want to add it, you have to go to add package dependencies, and here are some of the ones that I actually added right now. So I added chart view, I added Swift collections, and Swift UI font icons. So I could have, you could use these icons right here, all open source. So let's go back to the simulator. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty clean because when you drag it, you could see the number changes, and yeah, you could see how much you've been spending, how much money you have left, which is pretty clean in my opinion. So I was planning on linking this to Plaid, which would, it's like a third party extension where I could eventually have my bank info on here, and just it would be pretty cool to see how it would work with actual bank info. It's going to be pretty hard to connect because of how uh, secure banks are, but I'm sure I could find a way to do that. And I'll also have to put functionality to this button right here, which will have notifications. I'll also want to create a login for this so I could log into this app, and I can make sure that for every single person that logs in, it's like literally linked to your bank account, or you could somehow link it to your bank account and you could see your expenses basically here. So yeah, that wraps up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you, and I'll keep you guys posted when I'll do the next one. Have a great day.